If you're wondering how to stop hair from falling out, here is a great home remedy for treating hair loss. Hair loss can make both men and women feel worried and upset. This condition may be caused by any number of factors, from genetic predisposition and hormonal fluctuations to physical stress and even emotional issues. Although it can affect adults of all ages, our hair naturally grows weaker and becomes more prone to falling out as we grow old. As the number of people who suffer from hair loss increases, so does the amount of products that promise to fix the problem. Most of these products, however, are expensive and can create harmful side effects. Before running to the pharmacy, try this natural remedy that we're going to show you in today's video. It's a home remedy invented by a Russian doctor who guarantees that it's an excellent alternative for hair loss, being great at strengthening your hair and regenerating the roots of your hair. The best part is that the only ingredient you need is cheap and easy to find: carrots. Carrots are rich in vitamin A and are a great source of beta-carotene, which is great for hair, vision, skin, and nails. All you need to do is grate some fresh carrots and massage them into the roots of your hair. Wait for 15 minutes and then wash your hair as you normally would. Repeat this procedure for 5 days in a row. Always follow the same order. First, massage the carrot into your hair and then wash it. When you feel that your hair is stronger, you can start doing this treatment only once a month.